keep the grinder free of residue, we recommend a weekly cleaning. To do this, I will first remove the beans from the hopper. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of LIGRE grinder cleaner into the bean hopper. Grind the cleaner. Now I refill the bean hopper with 3 tablespoons of coffee beans. And grind. The grinder cleaner has now been removed. I pour the remaining beans back into the hopper. Close the hopper, and the LIGRE siji is ready for use again. We recommend using our LIGRE grinder cleaner for this process.